For over a century, banking was ruled by humans, by sharp minds, calm voices, and trusted faces behind marble counters. But today, everything is changing. A new force has entered the world of money: artificial intelligence. AI isn't coming for finance, it's already here. Every time you check your balance, apply for a loan, or make a trade on your phone, AI is quietly working behind the scenes. It predicts your spending, spots fraud, and even decides if you're approved, all in a fraction of a second. Fast, precise, unstoppable. But behind all this progress lies a question that is shaking Wall Street to its core: can bankers survive the rise of the machines? Back in the 1980s and 90s, the digital revolution began to change everything. ATMs replaced tellers, spreadsheets replaced ledgers, but still, humans made the decisions. They held the power, they had the intuition, they understood trust. Then came the 2010s. Machine learning arrived, computers that didn't just follow rules. They learned from data. Banks discovered they could train these systems to detect fraud, analyze risk, and predict the market faster, cheaper, smarter. Fast forward to 2025 and the transformation is staggering. JP Morgan's AI system can analyze 12,000 contracts in seconds, a task that used to take hundreds of lawyers months to finish. Goldman Sachs uses algorithms to generate investment insights faster than entire teams of analysts. And Wells Fargo's digital assistants now handle millions of customer questions every single day without a human ever touching the keyboard. Too many executives: this is progress, efficient, cost-saving, and precise. But to thousands of bankers, it's a warning. Automation has already replaced tens of thousands of jobs around the world. Risk officers, compliance analysts, loan processors, all being replaced by lines of code. A recent study found that nearly 40% of all banking roles could be automated by 2030. So, where do humans fit in? AI can process numbers at lightning speed, but it doesn't understand emotion, ethics, or empathy. When a small business owner walks into a bank for help, or a family applies for a mortgage, they don't just want numbers, they want understanding. That's something no machine can fully replicate. Some banks see this coming and they're adapting. Instead of firing employees, they're retraining them. AI handles the data-heavy work, while humans focus on relationships and strategy. The banker of the future might not sit behind a counter, they might sit behind a screen, managing algorithms and auditing AI decisions. But the battle is growing. Big tech companies Apple, Google, Amazon are stepping into finance with powerful AI tools. They move faster than traditional banks, they're more digital, and they already have billions of users. Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Amazon Credit, these are becoming the new banks of America. To traditional bankers, it feels like a revolution, a war between Silicon Valley and Wall Street. The power is shifting from bankers to programmers, from boardrooms to data centers, but AI isn't perfect. It can misjudge, miscalculate, and mislead. When algorithms make the wrong call, the results can be devastating: millions lost, loans denied, lives affected. And there's another threat: bias. AI can accidentally discriminate based on the data it's trained on. Regulators in Washington are already sounding the alarm. The Federal Reserve and the SEC are now demanding that banks explain how their algorithms make decisions. Transparency is becoming law. Ironically, even those regulators are now turning to AI, using it to detect insider trading, fraud, and money laundering faster than ever. So this isn't just AI versus bankers anymore, it's tradition versus transformation. A system built on trust, meeting a future built on data. By 2030, the line between banker and machine may disappear entirely. The most powerful financial institutions might not be led by people, but by intelligent systems that never sleep, never tire, and never forget. The only question is, will humans still be in control? Because money isn't just math, it's emotion, it's belief, it's trust. And that is something no machine can truly understand. Not yet, anyway.